Good morning. I'm Sylvia, the Crafty Old Lady. Thank you for joining me today. I appreciate your support and watching my videos, and I hope you're happy, healthy, and safe. So I just found the prompts for Margarete Miller's collage assignments, and this is Monday of, what is it, January 6th. So I'm a little late to the game. I don't know if they considered last week the first week or this week the first week, but I'm considering this week the first week. I found this old little notebook, and I thought I would use it for my collages. I think there's 62 or pages in here or something like that. But of course you double that for front and back. So what I think I'm going to do is put my prompt list over here and then do my collages over here. And I think I should cut that straighter. I'm actually standing on a stool to make sure I'm in frame, and I have put this on my desk, and I know that if I'm in this square, I'm on frame. So hopefully that will help me keep track better and not be too distracting in the background. And then I have a plastic placemat to keep my other mat sort of clean, hopefully. And my dog is barking at my husband because he thinks he's going to make him go out in the snow, even though he loves snow. He doesn't like the cold, but he likes the snow. It's very weird. Anyway, I'm going to stop here and get things under control. Okay, so the prompts are a historical figure or event, and I have had this little scrap here for I don't know how long. It's got John Jay and Joseph McKenna. Was he a president? John Jay, I kind of remember his name. I don't remember Joseph McKenna. I think these were presidents, though, but we'll pick John Jay. But I don't know. Joseph McKenna, I'm going to have to look that up. Maybe I'll use him. A decorative napkin is this. Magazine with bold text. I got just the ticket. And this is my timepiece, which I'll probably try to fussy cut a little bit. My ticket, but I also have this ticket. So I'm not sure. I like the green with the green. We'll have to see which one looks better and which one I have room for. And then I'm using this Natural History sticker book, and I'm going to use this as something found in the ocean, kind of sticking with the green theme there. So now I'm going to get down off my pedestal, my little step stool, and get to work. So I need to take my napkin apart, and it's weird because normally I can see what I'm doing, and so I'm a little nervous that I am not on camera, that I'm off camera, but like I said, as long as I stay in this square, I should be on camera. Let's hope that theory is working out. So I'm gonna take a little tape and try to open up my napkin here. And this is a pretty old napkin from either Dollar Tree or Tuesday Morning. Remember Tuesday Morning? I miss Tuesday Morning, boy. I only need probably just one. Let's see how much of this will fit. I'm going over here, so it's going to be a little bit off, but that's okay, maybe not by much. So I'm going to cut this little square out, and then we'll cut the width. And it's very cold today. I mentioned in my last video that my husband is going to be having surgery on Wednesday. Today's Monday. And so I'm trying to hurry up and get a few of these done in case I can't do them in the next week or so. So let's get my pen and gear glue stick. I gotta go out and get some more glue sticks today. And I need a gluing page behind there. So if you're interested, you could check out my Junk Journal July videos that are coming out. I have a few out already. I think up to number 6. And yeah, I'm enjoying it very much. The hashtag is Junk Journal January, and oh, I got 2 pages there. And you can see everybody's if you punch that in or tape that into your search bar. Okay, so let's do it this way, or is it this way? Doesn't matter. I don't think it matters, actually. My dog is coming back in. Hopefully he won't bark. I just saw him running to the window. He likes me more than my husband, and he thought I was coming to take him out, and then I handed the leash to my husband. And he was like, "Oh no, not you. I thought she was taking me out." He doesn't like my husband as much because my husband takes him out at night, and he hates going out at night. Oh, I forgot. I was going to look up Joseph McKenna. Was Joseph McKenna a U.S. president? No. Okay, but he served in all 3 branches of the federal government. I wonder if John Jay is. John Jay sounds familiar. Maybe he wasn't president. Was John Jay a U.S. president? No. He was a founding father, diplomat, and first Chief Justice of the United States. Well, he is still an historical figure. Both of them are. So I think we will use John Jay because that name is more familiar to me. I'm wondering if I could, what would it look like if I put this up here, like a little strip? Maybe I'll do some washi tape. Okay, so how do I want to get John Jay out of there? Rip him? Rip him out? I guess so. We'll rip him out. I saw someone use a stamp, a postage stamp, which I thought was a really great idea and an easy way to get a historical figure. Whoa. It doesn't show up very well, does it? I'm trying not to have my videos be super long either. And I just realized I might not have been on camera. I gotta stay on this in the square. If you're watching this, I have a couple of talk about noisiness. I have a couple of freebies on my Ko-fi page. They are actual digital images of ephemera, like vintage and antique ephemera, I guess you could say, passed down to me through my family. I have some letters and receipts and stuff like that. I'm going to go ahead and glue this one down too. You know, that are all from my ancestors, which is really cool. So if you are interested, you can go to my Ko-fi page. The link is in the description, I believe. And if not, it's on my homepage. And you can go check those out. I'll be having more up soon. Some will be free and some will not be free. So anyways, that is showing my appreciation for, I've gotten a lot of new subscribers lately. So I wanted to thank all my subscribers by offering some freebies. and I thought that was a good way to do it. I don't think this is going to show up. Maybe a little. My timepiece, my ticket, I definitely am going to ink up. If I use this one, it'll all be inked already. Just the ticket. We shall ink up too. Oh, I got to remember my little fish too. And then I have to just figure out how I'm going to arrange things without having this video take forever. This one's already inked. I might use both tickets. Why not, right? Okay, so let's get our little sticker out. And I think I am going to put washi tape across the top and the bottom. Let's see. I kind of think I should ink this up too, actually. And like with Junk Journal January, I always put the number on it, but I don't need to because I've got this here. So let's we're going to put the sticker here. What if I put this little ticket like this? And we'll put John Jay over here. Well, I could put just the ticket right across the top. My timepiece, I don't know. And another ticket. I don't know. There, let's put this ticket here. Put the timepiece there. We got John Jay up there with the other ticket and just the ticket up like that. I think that's good. So let's push him down. We'll get the other guys glued down. And I don't think that sticker wants to stick very well. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this. Ticket. You can see the word, you can tell it's ticket. Okay. This is craft glue, Lauricio. It's not too bad, but I think I put Elmer's glue in there when it emptied. And it's very difficult to get this lid on it, like it doesn't fit properly or something, you know? Okay, let's get John Jay up there. He was just the ticket for the Supreme Court. Is that what I said he was? I don't remember. He was just the ticket. I think I'm going to just go ahead and kind of stick that under there. Figure out what washi tape I want to put on there. That's not quite getting to the edges. Okay. All right. Why is that not sticking? Okay, that should stick now. And I'm going to just pause a minute and get my washi tapes out. Alright, so I just ended up using this washi tape. It's like music paper. And it sure did give me a lot of trouble, let me say. But anyway, here is my collage. Historical figure, we got John Jay from the Supreme Court Justice of 1789 to 1795. Oh, I should have known that. Well, I guess that could have been the president. Well, back then you could be president for as long as you were elected, I guess. Decorative napkin is my background. Magazine with the bold text, just the ticket. Clock or timepiece. Something found in the ocean or sea, a fish. And I have my tickets. And that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you'll come back and continue watching what I create. I appreciate your support so much, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.